Today we're going to learn how to do Ho'oponopono for health. Let's understand briefly first what is Ho'oponopono. Ho'oponopono works on the science that everything in our body is made of energy. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. You say those words again and again, and it impacts your body, impacts your frequency. And when your frequency changes, what changes? Your attraction changes. This is basic way of doing Ho'oponopono for health. If you want to do something a little more advanced, then you do something called as Conversational Ho'oponopono. All of this we will learn in detail right now. A lot of you have been sending me messages on how I can do Ho'oponopono for health for various reasons of health problems. All of this we will learn in detail right now. Those of you who are meeting me for the first time, my name is Mitesh Khatri. I and my wife Indu Khatri, we are law of attraction coaches and national best-selling authors of this book, The Law of Attraction. Let's understand briefly first what is Ho'oponopono. Ho'oponopono works on the science that everything in our body is made of energy. Words are made of energy. Specific words have specific frequency. When you say those words again and again, your body gets impacted by the vibrations of those words and changes the frequency of your body. Example, water has frequency. When you drink water in your body, water has impact on your body and hydrates your body and improves your body frequency, improves your health, correct? Just like water, juice has frequency, different kind of frequency, impacts your body differently. Just like that, alcohol has frequency, negative frequency. If you drink alcohol, it impacts your body negatively. Now, just like that, there are specific words in the world which have very, very high frequency, like magical frequency. You say those words again and again, and it impacts your body, impacts your frequency. And when your frequency changes, what changes? Your attraction changes, correct? Example, the word Om. When you say the word Om again and again, your frequency changes from within. So a lot of times when you go to an astrologer, he will tell you some mantras that you have to repeat again and again. A lot of people call it Andhashraddha. It's not necessarily Andhashraddha. There is a science behind it. Specific words have specific energy. That energy impacts your body, changes your frequency, changes your attraction. Make sense? That is why Ho'oponopono works. Best part is you don't need to do any research on the frequency of Ho'oponopono. It's been used for years, and millions of people in the world have tried and tested this frequency. Maybe even you have tried Ho'oponopono and have got a lot of results with that, right? So here is what I want you to do. I want you to practice Ho'oponopono the way I show you today for any problem in your health. The one very easy way to do is this. I take 100% responsibility for my health. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Now, this is basic Ho'oponopono. All you need to do is say the first statement. I take 100% responsibility for my health. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Now, the four statements, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, you need to say 108 times twice a day. When you say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, 108 times twice a day, your body gets impacted by the words, the frequency changes from within. Your cells vibrate at a higher positive frequency, your immune system comes into action, heals your body. That is why the world says in many, many books, many scientific books also, the body has the power to heal itself if the immune system has been given enough what? Energy. So how do you give immune system the energy? Ho'oponopono. 108 times, twice a day. The first statement of I am 100% responsible for my health can be said only once. And then after that, all you need to say is, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, 108 times. This is basic way of doing Ho'oponopono for health. Any health problem will start getting healed by using this simple technique. But if you want to do something a little more advanced, then you do something called as Conversational Ho'oponopono, which means you have a conversation with that part of your body which is paining or which is sick. Let's take an example. Before you start doing Ho'oponopono for your shoulder in an advanced way, always write down that on a level of 1 to 10, what is the current level of your pain? What is the current intensity of the pain? Now, it can even be an emotion. Let's say you're feeling frustration and you're doing Ho'oponopono for that. Then you're going to say, on a level of 1 to 10 right now, what is the level of my frustration? 1 is low, 10 is very high. So let's say right now my shoulder pain is at 7. Write it down. Now start the process. Let's say my shoulder is paining. Okay. Then I'm going to say the first statement. I take 100% responsibility for my shoulder pain. Now, why do you need to say this? Because we constantly say, yaar mera kandha dukh raha hai kyunki ye hua, wo hua, and we give all kind of reasons in life. Whenever you vibrate at the frequency of non-ownership, where you're not in charge of some situation, it's negative frequency. Vibrate at a higher frequency by saying, I take 100% responsibility for my shoulder pain. And then immediately after that, say, dear shoulder, I'm really sorry for not taking care of you. So, what are you doing here? You're having a conversation with your shoulder. Now, in this case, I'm saying shoulder, it can be anything, right? So, have a conversation and give three reasons for saying sorry, three reasons for saying, please forgive me, three reasons for saying thank you, three reasons for saying, I love you. Let me give you an example here. Dear shoulder, come on, do it with me. If you're having a shoulder pain or any part of your body is paining right now, do it with me. Say first, dear shoulder, I take 100% responsibility for the pain that I have created in my shoulder. Dear shoulder, I'm so sorry that whatever I have done because of which I have created this pain. I'm so sorry that I did not take care of you. I'm really sorry that while this pain was going on, I was hating you for paining. Please forgive me for hating you while you were going through pain. Please forgive me for not doing what was necessary to take care of you. Please forgive me, dear shoulder, for not taking action to heal you, for not going to the doctor, for not taking the right medicine, for not applying the right cream. Dear shoulder, thank you so much for taking care of me even though you're sick, even though you are paining. Dear shoulder, whatever emotion I am holding on to in my body, whatever emotion is stuck in my mind because of which this pain is being created, thank you for taking that shoulder pain. Thank you for taking that load. Dear shoulder, thank you so much for keeping me functional in spite of all this pain. I love you, dear shoulder, because you've always taken care of me. I love you for healing now. And I love you most importantly, the way you are, even with this pain. Now, what am I doing here? I'm having a conversation with the shoulder spontaneously right now with you. I had not made a script for this. So every time I talk to some part of my body which is paining or which is sick or not feeling well, the conversation is very different. Think of it this way. When you're saying sorry to somebody and you're giving three reasons, are you making a script? No. Then it would not be spontaneous, then it would not be genuine sorry. Correct? So you need to say sorry very genuinely, very spontaneously, and give three reasons for saying the first statement, I'm sorry. Three statements for please forgive me, three statements for thank you, and three statements for I love you. All of these four statements would have three reasons, and then end the round by saying again, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Do it this particular way and see how magically your pain goes down. And now quickly check what is the shoulder pain like. And I promise you, you will realize the pain has gone down a little bit. Maybe 6, maybe 5, maybe 4. For some of you, it will just go to 0 in one round. But if it goes down to 5, don't stop. Do one more round. How? Again, start. I take 100% responsibility for this shoulder pain. Now have a conversation with the body pain again, with that shoulder pain again. I'm sorry, three reasons, please forgive me, three reasons, thank you, three reasons, I love you, three reasons. In the end, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And now again check what is the intensity of the pain. It would have definitely gone down. If it is still not gone to 0, do a third round. It will go to 0 after 3 to 4 rounds. I have met very few people in my life who have to do 5, 6, 7, or 8 rounds. In 3 to 5 maximum rounds, pain goes down to 0. Same can be applied for things like acidity or blood pressure or diabetes or arthritis or backache, headache. Many people have attended our Ho'oponopono Healers certification course, where on the day one, I practice live with people by taking them on video like a live case study. And on the video, in front of 300, 400 people, I ask people, who has a migraine right now? Some people raise their hands. And there are actually people, in 300, 400 people, I always find at least 4 or 5 people who have a headache and who have a migraine. वो लोग क्या आ गए दिन आजकल 4-5 लोग तो हेडेक के साथ मिल ही जाते right? So I ask them in front of all these 300, 400 people. I bring them on spotlight. And believe it or not, I do this conversational Ho'oponopono with them. And in 3 to 4 minutes, pain goes down to 0. There are people whom I have met who've gone through operation and they've got pain in their stomach. And it's been constant pain for many, many days and the pain just doesn't go down. We do live in front of 300 people, 300 plus people every workshop. Pain disappears in 3 to 4 minutes. The best part is these people attend the workshop for 2 full days, full Saturday, full Sunday. Pain doesn't come back. If you don't believe me, watch the first lesson free of my Ho'oponopono Healers certification course. The lesson 1 is in the link of the description below this video. Register right now and watch the lesson number one. You'll be amazed at what amazing experiences you will feel just by the lesson number one. At the end of that lesson number one, I'm also showing you testimonials of people who've healed themselves magically of variety of health problems. There are people who've told me that they've got diabetes for many, many years. Medicines were helping, but not so much. After they started doing Ho'oponopono, they reversed their diabetes. Of course, they were having the right food, the right medicines, but it was not going away. With the added magic of Ho'oponopono, they were able to reverse that. I'm not a doctor, so I can't claim that happens, but I'm telling you, people have got results. Here is the best part. Right now, I'm doing a clinical research on Ho'oponopono to prove that it works. And maybe in just 3 months, we are going to have research papers medically published that Ho'oponopono is a actual powerful tool that can be medically said, yes, it gives results to people. Nobody has done this in the world till now. We will be the first to introduce a medical research paper published that proves that Ho'oponopono works. Isn't that amazing? Would you love to be part of that research someday? If yes, join our course and you'll come to know how you can be part of that research in future. But for now, I would like you to do Ho'oponopono the way I showed you for yourself or for somebody in your family. Heal them, and when you heal them, of course, you're going to be very happy. Tell me in the comment section, what did you heal? I would love to know your healing stories so that I can also be inspired and many members in our community can also learn from you. Ready to meet me in the Hope No Healers course? I'll see you there. And hey, if you loved today's video, and if you think somebody in your friends and family needs to do Hope No to heal something in their health, please share this video right now with 3 or 4 people who can also receive some help with Hope No. And subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon after that so that the next time I come up with amazing videos like this, you definitely get a notification. See you soon in the next video where I'm going to show you how to do Hope No for not just health, but also for money. Ready? See you soon. Bye bye.